So it's been a while we've been hearing rumors about Tesla's very own smartphone. And according to many speculations, it's surely turning out to be an industry breaker. Though it's nothing new for Elon Musk, as he has worked for the last 2 decades and completely changed the car and space industry on his own. So if he turns up to create a smartphone, certainly that would be ruling the phone industry. But are we really going to see the Tesla phone? And what might be its features? To find out, watch till the end, as in this video, we will be explaining every possible feature Elon Musk might offer with the Tesla Pi smartphone. So without any further ado, let's dive in. The next generation smartphone from Tesla is going to be unlike others, and another great invention of Musk with its mind-blowing features. But before we jump into the feature upgrades, let's have a quick peek over present smartphone ruler companies. Currently, Samsung is the #1 smartphone seller company globally, with its flagship phone and foldable series. And their main rival is Apple, who also covers most of the smartphone market share with their iPhone. But based on rumored specs, none of these companies' smartphones will be able to stand before Tesla's phone. Moreover, Elon Musk has created a huge fan following base through his PayPal, Tesla, and SpaceX success. He has the ability to instantly turn share market upside down only through his tweets. So if he brings out a phone, certainly all of his followers will be eager to buy that instead of other available smartphones. Besides, Elon Musk has had so many complaints about iPhones, which he shared on Twitter and also in an interview, meaning he will be looking forward to creating a phone that could quite possibly have features with perfection. According to a report from Dev Discourse, the Tesla phone is likely to be called the Model Pi phone, and it will be packed with features unlike any other device. Previously, a concept was shared by the designer Antonio De Rosa, and it shows a premium design with 4 cameras in a square-shaped frame. However, what is likely to make the phone exceptional is the Starlink satellite internet connection, so the phone is expected to have up to 210 Mbps download speed. Besides, with this phone, you should be able to stay connected to the network even in rural areas or the countryside. The Model Pi phone from Tesla might also be able to read signals from the mind through Neuralink technology. This will certainly be a revolution to the smartphone industry and a step forward to the future. Apart from these, Elon Musk is quite optimistic about Mars, and his upcoming smartphone might have the feature to mine cryptocurrencies called Mars coins. Musk has also been more concerned about reducing the cost of space traveling, and he has assured many times that sooner or later people might be able to travel to Mars efficiently. So the Mars coin concept might be related to Mars in many ways. Driving the Tesla car with the Model Pi phone is going to be more convenient, as the Model Pi phone will allow you to control your Tesla car right from your phone without needing any external remote. With all these futuristic features, many of us might wonder if the whole Model Pi is a hoax. But we have seen Elon Musk pulling off tasks that seemed almost impossible. So inventing a smartphone with such capabilities won't be out of the earth for Musk. Though we might not see the device being launched right away, so many reports suggest that Tesla will release the smartphone next year. So let's wait till we finally see Elon Musk's Model Pi phone and rule the smartphone industry. What do you think of this smartphone? Let us know in the comments below. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.